Okay, for this one, we're going to go through a few things, starting with finding the derivative f prime of x. Then we're going to find the slope of the graph at x equals 2, the equations of the tangent lines at x equals 2, and the value of x where the tangent line is horizontal. Okay, starting out with the first one, we're going to find the derivative of f of x equals 6x minus x squared. F prime of x will equal to 6 minus 2x on this one. Now, the second one says the slope of the graph. Well, the slope of the graph is basically what they mean, the slope of the tangent line to the graph. Specifically, the slope of the tangent line at x is equal to 2. And you can always make the connection that the derivative equals slope. So if you calculate the derivative with your number, you get the slope of the tangent line. So all we really need to do for this next step is just to plug in 2 for the derivative, f prime of 2. 6 minus 2 times 2, which is just equal, coincidentally, to the same number, 2. Okay, so we can also think of this as m. So slope m is equal to 2 for this particular line called the tangent line. Okay, the next part says to find the equation of the tangent line at x equals 2. So to do the equation of a line, we need to use point slope form. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So let's do that here. We have our point. We have x is equal to 2. We need to get the number for y. So to get the y1 to go with it, we're going to plug in 2 for the original function, f of 2. That's going to equal to 6 times 2 minus 2 squared, which is going to equal to 8. So we basically have our point to go in our point slope form equation. The point will be the point 2, 8 as our x1, y1 point. So if we put that into the point slope form, it would be y minus 8 equals slope m, which is 2, times x minus 2. And from here, we're just going to go ahead and solve for y. Distribute the 2. Y minus 8 equals 2x minus 4. Add over the 8. Y is equal to 2x plus 4. That's the equation of the tangent line passing through the graph at that point 2, 8. Now the next part asks us to solve for where the tangent line is horizontal. The thing to know about horizontal is the slope is 0. And if the slope is 0, that means the derivative is 0. So we want to basically solve the derivative f prime of x for equal to 0. And that'll tell us where the slope is 0. We had our derivative up above. Our derivative was 6 minus 2x. We're just simply going to set that equal to 0 to find the horizontal tangent lines. So if we subtract 6 over, we'll have negative 2x is equal to negative 6. Divide by negative 2. And x equals 3 is where the derivative is equal to 0, and also where the tangent line has slope of 0, which means it's horizontal tangent line.